Hey guys, Smart from Impress Computers, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys of a gaming laptop from MSI. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so we got the black matte finish box right here with the MSI logo. You got the red handle. You got the slogan right here from MSI, the True Gaming slogan. Another logo right here from MSI, and on the other side you're gonna have the specs right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and open it up, and we got the nice package. So this is very good. What they've done is they've used foam to cover the laptop. So a lot of times we've seen laptops being damaged. So as you can tell, you got the nice cover on the sides. You got another foam at the bottom of it, and you got that nice plastic package, and you get also the MSI logo right here, as you can tell. That black cloth right there. So let's close the box real quick, and you got that nice MSI logo. It's covered in plastic. You get another cover for your keyboard, and this is an RGB keyboard. The computer has the i7 9th generation with a 1660 Ti. This is an overclocked version running on a laptop, so it's very fast. It's a 15.6. You get the numeric keypad, and you also have the thin bezel. So the laptop comes very thin on the sides, as you can tell. They used to be a little bit more bulky, and if we flip it over, you are going to have the dual cooling fans right here. So as you can see, this laptop actually is thicker compared to other models. So you get a nice cooling right here from the back of it. So it will dissipate all the heat out. And we also recommend putting it on a place that is flat surface. And as you can tell, it's lifted up by this kind of plastic and that rubber. So once you sit it down like this, it's actually slightly up, which is preventing it to overheat. There were other models that they released in the past, and they were very thin, which was unable to make it breathe properly. So with a better cooling system, you can tell that it's thicker, it's bigger, it's robust, and you get a lot of performance. So we're not gonna turn this on, but just letting you know guys, this laptop right here for gaming, it's very powerful. It has 16 gigs of RAM, it has a 512 NVMe, and you also get 1 terabyte for your game. So if you guys are looking for a nice gaming laptop, we're gonna have 2 of these in stock. We may run out very quick. We're gonna put them on the website and share this on Facebook. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.